Where your flop?
Please do. Oh! Do you know what I got?
Oh, we should actually have started the video this way.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Adam.
Oh, that's okay. I can edit it.
Okay.
I got a cat hat. It has cat ears on it. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Where are your feet? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ah! Could really be any cat too. Could be domestic house cat. Could be large. Ah! I'm just kidding. Sorry.
It's like wearing. You know, sometimes if you're like stressed out, maybe it's just me. You kind of cuddle in either comfortable clothing or a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
That's this for my head. Like when I'm feeling stressed out, it's a head hug.
Oh,
Yes.
That's so nice.
Do you want to try it on? So you can
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I want one of these. It looks ridiculous on me, but I want one. I want to wear it because it just seems like it'd be. I feel safe in this.
If you want to borrow that, you're more than welcome to do so. I never wear it.
If I was on the subway,
Yeah.
I think I would just like, cause you know, like this. It does kind of feel like a head hug. Your head is about the same size as mine. Maybe it's a little smaller.
Well, how's it fitting you right now?
No, it's fitting me well.
It fits me a little. It's comfortably snug. But
it is comfortably snug.
It's present though. I
yes,
feel the presence of the head.
Presence. It could be like this much looser.
Yes.
And then it would just be kind of like.
Yes.
But then it wouldn't really be a hug though. Then it would just be kind of like just sitting.
Just kind of hovering. It'd be a hover hug.
A hover hug. Yeah.
No, but I love you. I love you too, Michelle.
Oh. Where did you get this?
This dog is it. It was a gift from a boyfriend at the time.
Ooh.
Yes, and we used.
It's a good gift.
We used to decide.
Wait, is this gonna get really nasty?
No. I mean, we're still friends.
No, I mean like with the dog.
I don't know where are you going with it?
Well, where are you going with it? Because I had no idea where you were going with it, and
I
was just
know where
thinking
you were going with it.
Well, now you know.
No, do I?
Well, I don't even know myself.
Well, then how am I supposed to?
You said before I so rudely cut you off. I got this from a boyfriend of mine, and we used to. And I was like, oh, what the dog? Like, what's going on? Then you can get creative.
Okay, all right. No, not with the dog. We had sex, but the dog was not involved. I think that's what you were implying, that perhaps there was sexual activity with the dog.
It was a threesome.
Yeah, no, the dog, no. And then at one point for our 1 month anniversary, he got me this dog, which I named Nietzsche at the time. Mm-hmm. I was like, God is dead. And that's what I used to do with the dog. And
do we eat dogs? We don't eat oxygen.
Well, we
inhale it.
We inhale it. I don't know if I mean, can anyone really eat oxygen? I think is the question.
You can't eat water.
I mean, you can drink water.
You can.
Yeah.
You can eat water. You can eat an ice cube.
I mean, technically, that's true. Yes. That's true.
I'm a philosopher. That's what I do.
And technically,
the most useful shit of
wait a minute. Technically, any recipe that contains water, that is a solid food, you're eating water.
That's true.
Indirectly.
So you can't eat water.
You can't eat water. Yes.
Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen.
See? So we're eating oxygen.
The number 2. Yeah, that's the extent really of my chemistry knowledge.
Number 2. So, like, what is an alternative word to the word crazy?
And one of them
is
ridiculous is going to say that.
Yes.
One of them is really long. It's like Puffle. There's a P, right?
It's cattywampus.
Cattywampus. So
yes.
No P, but.
Which is a great word.
But ridiculous.
Yes, but wonderfully so.
Cattywampus?
Cattywampus, yes.
Cattywampus.
If I had a cat, I would name my cat Cattywampus.
It's a good name.
I'd be like, who's a good cattywampus? He'd be like, me.
I was thinking the other night, my cat's name is, or my companion.
Right.
Furry companion creature.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
Hannah.
Yes.
Her name is Hannah.
Right.
But I was thinking yesterday, I would call her Phantom Ass. Which I think is like, I don't know, Phantom or like.
Did you say Phantom Ass?
No.
What did you?
I said phantomas, like like Fantomas, which I think means. Can you look up phantomas? It does.
Ooh.
Yeah, like a ghost.
What are you? I'm the Phantom.
I thought it meant like ghost. I thought it was cute yesterday. I was like, oh, phantomas.
It is
Like,
kind
I
of
was
cute.
playing with her, but then you said phantom
Okay. Let's see. Okay, where we see? Blah, 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 blah. In the original version, Fantomas. I don't know. The name comes from the French word fantôme, perhaps, I'm guessing.
Okay.
Meaning ghost. Well, let me ask you a question. Do you, and feel free to say I don't want to talk about it, but do you identify as a person with a disability? Or is that something you don't really,
It seems like a serious conversation to have with this hat on. I think you've asked me this before, actually.
Have I?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a tough question. I wake up, I don't know. The answer is no, I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Whether I should is, I think, a different question.
Well, it's up to you. I mean, it's, you know.
Yeah, so the answer is no, I don't.
Okay.
But that said, like, I do wake up every single day and, feeling terrible.
Mm-hmm.
And I am medicated. I have multiple medications to deal with panic attacks and anxiety.
Mm-hmm. So
that is a disability.
Right.
I don't identify as having a disability because I don't know why. Maybe because of society has indoctrinated me to undervalue the weight and the severity of my own disability that I don't identify. Or maybe because maybe that's it. Maybe I just feel like my condition on a daily basis is not important or something. I don't know. We're not as significant as, let's say, like a physical disability. But I think that's a social problem.
But I mean, disability could be mental or intellectual as well.
Of course it can. Absolutely. That's what I'm saying. So I think that. Yeah, I don't know, but I don't identify as having a disability.
Okay.
Do you think I should?
It's up to you. I mean, the thing is this: if you did, I wouldn't be like, what? No,
right.
So if you did, I'd be like, yeah, that totally makes sense to me because your from what you described your anxiety.
Yeah.
It's not like, oh, I'm feeling a little anxious now and then.
Yeah,
it's like fucking incessant, persistent.
It's pretty fucking bad.
Yeah.
I think I just feel like I wouldn't. It's just such an interesting. I feel like I'm at a loss for words. Mm-hmm. And I would be at a loss for words even if the camera wasn't on. Mm-hmm. I don't really know how I feel about this.
It's a complicated question. It's a matter of identity and how you feel about yourself and how you feel about disability and And
it is a matter of identity.
Yeah.
Oh, but let me ask you this: would it be, if it's a matter of identity and not a matter of just sort of like a certain category that exists independent of what you think of it or not? You being in a wheelchair,
right?
Would it be possible for you not to identify as being disabled?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's
I used to not claim it. I would be like, oh, I mean, I'm in a wheelchair, but I'm not like disabled. And it was really because society has a negative connotation with the word disabled that like you're not supposed to claim it as a thing of identity or a thing of pride. You're supposed to be like, well, I have mobility issues, but I'm not, disabled because oh my god, could there be anything worse? And then it's like, no, I'm fucking disabled, and there's nothing wrong with that. Or, like, why, I'm in a wheelchair, like, why shouldn't I be like, oh, I'm not in a wheelchair, la 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 la, and pretend that my reality is not my reality, you know what I mean?
Right.
But for a while I did, though, because there is a certain level of shame connected to the word disability, and claiming it. You're not supposed to be like, fuck yeah, I'm disabled, represent, you're not supposed to be doing that. But yet, flipping the script is an act of protest, and that's why I do it. Yeah. And
more people should do that. There should be, like, don't you think there should be more, like, disabled pride?
Yeah,
is that weird in a way? Like, using the word, I mean, like, it has, like, the connotations obviously from the LGBTQ movement.
Right.
But, like, is that weird to be like
Disabled pride?
Disabled pride?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Because I mean, it's like.
It's just the only reason I ask is because it just like I've never heard those two words together before, so it seems strange.
The thing is this: it's like anything that is viewed as inferior in society. Those demographics. I mean, whether it's your size or it's your race or it's your sex, whatever it is, it's important for your well-being to flip that script and be like, I reject your shame. I reject the negativity that you're putting on me, and I'm going to flip the script and turn to something of pride.
I'm proud of who I am. Yeah, fuck yeah. Of course. I mean, of course, in a way, right? It's like, when you put it that way, it's just so obvious. Yeah, because not only do you have the symptoms to deal with, but then you also have that shame of like, boy, but I'm not disabled, or it's internalized ableism, which makes it worse because then it's like more shit to deal with. And what's uncomfortable for me right now is that I'm realizing that the fact that I even asked that question to begin with comes from a place of internalized ableism. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I was going to say that I'm more familiar with. You're aware of the horror movie franchise Halloween? Yes. There's Halloween 7 was called Halloween H2O. Yes. I know way more about that movie than I do about H2, like the water or the science behind it. Wait, why is it called Halloween H2O? Because it was like Halloween 20 years later, and Jamie Lee Curtis returned. It's like Halloween 20 years later. See, I was thinking it was underwater or something. No. Like, he's trying to kill us, but he can't swim that fast. I mean, Alright. You're being so cattywampus. I carry cat hair.